My name is Monica Dunn, and I'm a level 3 QHHT practitioner. Back in early 2015, my partner came over to me and said, there's this woman I think you're going to really resonate with. Her name is Dolores Cannon. And I just really resonated with all she had to share and all of the healing that took place in her sessions. And I was so excited to be able to do this work. And it's been so amazing, all the healing that has taken place and all of the now hundreds and hundreds of sessions since, and it's like magic to see people heal before your eyes. So one of the things I really loved about it was that the person is healing themselves with their higher power that we all have within us, and instead of taking it outside of themselves, I find it to be so empowering when you're tuning into your own higher self, your own knowing, to do your own healing versus having someone else do the healing for you. It's so much more powerful. I think my favorite is when they don't really expect it, you know? Like they just have no idea that the healing took place, and then, you know, like I had this one woman who, she could hear me, and prior to the session, you know, I really had to raise my voice, but the healing of her hearing was restored, and I could just speak normally. And she said, "You're speaking normally. I can hear you now." And she just wasn't expecting it at all. You know, I mean, it's just so beautiful that this healing occurs on these levels that, you know, we can't see. It's so amazing. I'm so grateful and honored to do this work. And just to hold space for someone to completely transform before your eyes is purely magical.